Hello! Hala, feeling ko itong mga taba na ako dito. Dito lang ako sa bahay na. Pero, yun nga. Kay John and Maricel, ayan na, malapit ng 5th year anniversary nyo. So, 5 years na, di ba? Message ko lang sana ingatan nyo yung isa't isa. And then, mahalin nyo yung isa't isa, okay? And, medyo iwas-iwasan na, mga tampururot events. Then, mag-ingat kayo palagi dyan. Manipis ko na kayo. And then, yung bondings natin sa apartment. So, God bless you always. Again, happy 5th year anniversary. So, 5 years na kayo. Ingatan nyo yun ako. So, mga pare, bye-bye. Miss ko na kayo. Miss ko na kayo. Bye-bye.
Hello, Jen and Maricel. Happy 5th anniversary! Actually, hindi naman sa pilitang pagkuha to eh. It's just that I really love you guys. That's why I really find time and effort to send you my message and my greetings. That I'm really happy to both of you sa kung ano man narating ninyo. Again, happy 5th anniversary. And sana alagaan nyo kung ano man yung nasimulan nyo hanggang ngayon. At patuloy pa rin kayong in love and holding on to your relationship. I'm really looking forward na alam ko sana kayong first couple ng ating batch na ikakasal. I just invite me as Nina. Huwag kayong mag-alala, pag-iipunan ko yan. Okay? So yun, happy talaga ako kung ano man yung narating ninyo. Mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa. Kung may problema man, dito lang naman ako. Just call me up. Tapos, magkakalapit lang naman tayo siguro dito sa Manila. It doesn't mean na porke hindi tayo nakapagkita ngayon because of our busy schedules is malabo na tayo makapag-meet. I know I really could have a time for both of you. Sana makapag-banding ulit tayo. And yun lang. Take good care of one another. Love you guys.
What are you doing? What's this for? Eh? Oh, come on, tell me. What are you doing? Is this kind of a prank or what? Okay, I don't know what you're into, but I've learned that it's your 5th anniversary, and I'm wishing you well. Life sucks every now and then, but you've been through a lot of things, well, ups and downs, rocks, and so on and so forth. You've taken some kind of road that other people haven't taken, and you've always got some choices, okay? Just believe in your heart, because everything that your heart tells you will help you make good decisions in life. Hope you'll end up together, have a happy family. Happy 5th anniversary. Love ya.
Hi Jan, this is a gift from Maricel. Kinuntsaba niya ako, wala akong magawa. So, tuloy-tuloy na natin. Well, happy anniversary. Salamat sa pag-imbita sa akin na magbigay ng aking komento sa pag-iibigan ng dalawa. It's very formal pero ganito talaga ako. So, be strong and be God always be with you and bless you in your relationship. Wala rin ako masabi kayo dyan, kundi mahal ka niya talaga. So, plastic no, pero nakikita ko kayo na hanggang dulo. So, happy anniversary and thank you. So that's it.
Hi Isel, hi John. I just want to greet you guys. Happy 5th anniversary. Wow, you guys are 5 years now. I'm really happy that you're still together and still counting. May God bless you abundantly and may you guys take good care of each other. I'm really happy for you, Isel, na you've found the right guy for you. And thank you, John, for taking good care of her. Sana wag kayong makakalimot pagkasalan na. And wag mong papaiyakin sa Isel dyan. Lagot ka sa amin. Ayun, I wish you all the best things that life can offer. And sana wag niyong kakalimutan, always put God in between your relationship. I miss you guys. Sana ma-meet pa kitang mabuti dyan. Kasi I know na hindi pa tayo nagkakaband. Like, magmula na ata yung naging kayo ni Isel. I know this is getting too long, so just gonna cut it out. Happy 5th anniversary, guys. I hope to see you soon. Love you both. Bye.
Happy 5th year anniversary, Maricel and John. Sa 5 years na pinagsamahan yung dalawa, alam ko na halos lahat ng challenges at trials sa isang relationship ay nalagpasan nyo na. Pero guys, tingnan nyo, hanggang ngayon magkasama pa rin kayo at nagmamahalan. Pero alam ko din na marami pa rin kayong masusubukan. At alam kong marami pang ibibigay sa inyo si God ng mga test. Pero alam ko na malalagpasan nyo yun. Kasi love na love nyo ang isa't isa at hindi kayo papayag na hindi kayong dalawang magkatutuyan. Pero guys, kung may problema man, nandito ako as your adding, no joke, as your ate, para mabigyan naman kayo kahit paano ng konting advice. Pero naman sa halos 5 years na pinagsamahan nyo, kahit kayong dalawa lang, kayang-kaya nyo na. Kasi hindi nawawala si God sa relationship nyo dahil alam kong dinedepende nyo lahat kay God yun. Well guys, enjoy your anniversary and I love you both. Ate Isel, I miss you!
Hi, Isel and John. Happy 5th anniversary. Stay in love and happy. Sana sa susunod. Invited. Ano ba sasabihin ko?
Sa kasal.
Kasal na ba yun? Next year na ba yun? Sa susunod na anniversary na. Ayun, happy 5th anniversary ulit.
Hi guys! Syempre, unang-una sa lahat, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Papa God sa lahat ng blessings na binibigay niya sa amin. And dahil sa kanya, kaya tumagal kami ng ganito katagal. Sa family ko, sa family ni John, sa relatives niya, at sa relatives ko, maraming salamat sa suporta at pagtanggap ng relationship namin. Thank you guys! And sa CPE Batch 2011, sa addicts, sa Solid Barkada, sa mga pari ko, kay Nanay Nene, at kay Tatay Tune. Thank you so much sa time and effort na paggawa ng fan signs at videos. Thank you for making this surprise possible. As in, super thank you talaga. Thank you na din sa mga advices at sa lahat ng mga kaibigan kong hindi kami iniiwan. Thank you so much. And sa'yo, Dad, happy 50th anniversary. Matagal na tayo, pero you know, I'm still in love. Ganun pa rin. At parang everyday is a surprise. So, yun. Looking forward to be with you, as in, sana ikaw na yung kasama kong tumanda. Sana ikaw na yung magdadala sa akin sa altar. And sana ikaw na yun. Alam mo na yun. Yun. So, happy 5th year anniversary. I love you so much. Alam mo yun. So, yun. And sana yung mga plans natin ay matupad na. Yun. Thank you so much sa lahat-lahat. I love you so much. Love you. Bye-bye.